This video will instruct you on how to find a print book in the library catalog. First, you want to go to the library's homepage at www.kirkwood.edu/library. On the middle of this page, you will see a rectangular box below the words "Search Here." This is the library's catalog. It is where you will find books, ebooks, journal articles, and videos. If you know the type of source you want, you can pick book, article, or video. If you want to find everything, just leave it as is. Let's do a search for climate change. Then click the search box. These are our results. On the left side of the screen, you will see Search Tools. If you know you only want a book for the last 5 years, you can select it here. If you know that you only want a print book, not an ebook, click on Book on the left side, then choose Print Book. Now all your results should be print books. This title, Climate Change, a Very Short Introduction, is currently available. If it were checked out, it would tell you that here. It is located at the main Cedar Rapids Library campus, and this is the Dewey Decimal Number. At the main campus, these books can be found on the second floor. You will also see a site link. Click on that. Select a citation style. I will choose APA 6th edition. And then you can copy and paste this citation into a Word document. These are computer generated, so they are not 100% accurate. Be sure to correct the format and all other mistakes that you see made here. Remember, when searching the library catalog, like any other database, if you are not happy with your results, try to modify your keywords, or you can always ask a librarian for help.